Hello, today we'll be talking about Passimian. Its previous PYC dates are April 2nd, 1998, February 1st, 2001, December 4th, 2003, October 5th, 2006, August 6th, 2009, June 7th, 2012, April 9th, 2015, February 8th, 2018, December 10th, 2020, and October 12th, 2023. I like Passimian's design. Given that Passimian and Oranguru are game-exclusive counterparts, I always thought they were rivals, as Pokémon in a similar situation, such as Viper and Zangoose in their original games, are rivals. But apparently this isn't the case. Anyway, let's get into the Bulbapedia article. Hello and welcome to the Bulbapedia section of the video. Today we'll be talking about Passimian, the teamwork Pokemon, whose number is 0766. This is what it looks like. Its type is fighting. Abilities, receiver. Defiant is its hidden ability. Gender ratio is 50-50. Catch rate is 45 or 11.9%. Breeding is a group field, hatch time 20 cycles. Height is 6'7" or 2 meters. Weight is 182.5 pounds or 82.8 kilograms. Base experience field is 172. Leveling rate is slow. Evolve is 2 and attack. Shape is that. Pokédex color is white and base friendship is 70. Passimian is a fighting type Pokemon introduced in Gen 7, is not known to evolve into or from any other Pokemon, but is considered to be a counterpart of Oranguru. Biology, Passimian is a black and white Pokemon resembling a powerfully built lemur with broad shoulders. Most of its fur is white, but it has a black muzzle, upper body, hands, feet, and ankles, and tail. However, there is a wavy white ring near the tip of its tail. The fur around Passimian's head and face is longer and forms many small clumps, especially around the top of its head and under its chin. On top of its head is a pale green helmet, similar to half of a coconut shell. The helmet has a small orange blaze on the front and 2 leaves that stand up straight attached to the back. Its eyes are partially hidden by its headwear, but its yellow sclera and reddish-orange irises are visible. It is often seen carrying a large berry that resembles a green coconut. There are several leaves stuck on its body with saliva. The shoulders and chest all have 1 vertical and 1 horizontal leaf. While most Passimians have green leaves, it's shown in the Pokemon the series Sun and Moon episode SM064 that there is a red leaf variant on Akala Island that has 1 additional horizontal leaf in each area. The leaves' color and position are decided by the leader of a troop and aid in distinguishing one troop from another. Passimian creates troops of 20 to 30 members, with each of them having a leader that picks 10 of the strongest members to search for food. It tends to get into territorial disputes with Ambipom in their search for comfortable trees, in which they win half of the time. Passimian's battle strategy involves throwing berries at opponents, hard ones for damage and soft ones to skewer vision, and confusing opponents by throwing the berry to other troop members. A troop's leader is the member that can throw these berries the farthest. Through rigorous training, the troop improves its coordination, teamwork, and skill in handling berries. Some Passimian are unable to handle the intensity and flee from the troop. In place of a troop leader, a captive Passimian looks to its trainer for leadership. If its trainer has poor form when throwing Pokeballs, it will refuse to obey. Passimian is the only known Pokemon with the ability Receiver. Game data Pokedex entries in Gen 7. Sun. They form groups of roughly 20 individuals. Their mutual bond is remarkable. They will never let down a comrade. Moon. They battle with hard berries for weapons. Their techniques are passed from the boss to the group, generation upon generation. Ultra Sun. They use their saliva to stick leaves to their shoulders. You can tell what troop they belong to from the position of the leaves. Ultra Moon. Berries are its weapons as well as the staple of its diet. The one that can throw a berry the farthest is the boss of the troop. Gen 8 Sword. Displaying amazing teamwork, they follow the orders of their boss as they all help out in the search for their favorite berries. Shield. Passimian live in groups of about 20, with each member performing an assigned role. Through cooperation, the group survives. In Gen 9 Scarlet. This Pokemon battles by throwing hard berries. It won't obey a trainer who throws Pokeballs without skill. Violet. The boss chooses 10 members of the group to go out hunting. The hunting party will evenly split the food they find with the rest of the group. Passimian, the Alola Pokedex. Passimian and the Paldea Pokedex. So you can see there's 5 of them here. Game locations. Side game locations. And events. Stats, base stats, HP 100, attack 120, defense 90, special attack 40, special defense 60, speed 80, for a total of 490. Type effectiveness, damage normally by normal, fighting, poison, ground, ghost, steel, fire, water, grass, electric, ice, and dragon. Weak to flying, psychic, and fairy, all for double, immune to nothing. Resistant to rock, bug, and dark, all for half. Learn set by leveling up. 1, tackle and leer. 5, rock smash. 10, focus energy. 15, beat up. 20, scary face. 25, takedown. 30, fling. 35, bulk up. 40, thrash. 45, double edge. 50, close combat. 55, reversal. And 60 Giga Impact. By TM, TM001 Takedown, 6 Scary Face, 7 Protect, 12 Low Kick, 14 Acrobatics, 18 Thief, 20 Trailblaze, 22 Chilling Water, 25 Facade, 28 Bulldoze, 36 Rock Tomb, 39 Low Sweep, 43 Fling, 47 Endure, 49 Sunny Day, 50 Rain Dance, 58 Brick Break, 60 U-Turn, 64 Bulk Up, 66 Body Slam, 70 Sleep Talk, 71 Seed Bomb, 73 Drain Punch, 81 Grass Knot, 85 Rest, 86 Rock Slide, 87 Taunt, 99 Iron Head, 102 Gunk Shot, 103 Substitute, 114 Shadow Ball, 119 Energy Ball, 132 Baton Pass, 134 Reversal, 149 Earthquake, 152 Giga Impact, 158 Focus Blast, 163 Hyper Beam, 167 Close Combat, 171 Terror Blast, 179 Smackdown, 180 Gyro Ball, 181 Knockoff, 184 Vacuum Wave, 191 Uproar, 192 Focus Punch, 202 Pain Split, 204 Double Edge, 211 Electro Web, 213 Coaching, 224 Curse, and 229 Upper Hand. By breeding, this group gives it Counter, this group gives it Feint, this group gives it Knockoff, this group gives it Quick Attack, this group gives it Quick Guard, and this group gives it Seismic Toss. Side game data, you got all this. Evolution data, it's just Passimian. Sprites, you got the models. Shiny. This kind of orange or maybe gold replaces the green, the lighter green. White replaces the orange or gold. Blue replaces the gray, but not on its face, just on its arms, but also the white part on this tail, and also it looks like the most of the white is, the white on its arms, and also the gray on its tail and legs is this sort of greenish gray, but then the body white, like the one around its neck and head and then the legs is this kind of tan color, I guess. In Gen 7, you get the much better models. Homes, you get these models. Animation. Mele Greens are the big one. The Mele Greens. This. Akala Island, Passimian, and Pokemon the series, Sun and Moon. This. Pokedex Entries in Sun and Moon, episode 64, in the Rotom Pokedex. Passimian, the teamwork Pokemon. A fighting type. It works on its teammates and attacks by throwing fruits. They undergo intense training together, and their mutual bond is remarkable. Translated from the Japanese version, this episode wasn't translated into English. In Journeys, episode 76, in Go's Rotom Phone. Passimian, the teamwork Pokemon. A fighting type. Passimian follow the orders of their boss and make skillful teamwork plays. They search for berries, helping each other as they go. In the manga, Passimian and Pokemon Adventures. All this. In the TCG, trivia, I read these points in the Rangaroo video. Concept and development, concept art featuring a Passimian from Pokemon Sun and Moon. A bunch of different angles, it's standing up, full fours. Different parts, like holding up the berry, like throwing it and stuff. Origin, Passimian appears to be based on a lemur with a striking resemblance to a black and white ruffed lemur. Lemurs also live in large groups and are very cooperative in activities like searching for food, like Passimian. It may also draw inspiration from quarterbacks in American football. Name origin, Passimian may be a combination of pass and simian. It may also be a play on prosimian. Nagatukasaru may be a combination of Nagazukaru, to throw, and Saru, monkey. Languages, related articles, references, external links. Let's move on. Now let's watch Passimian's first in the anime. Except we can't. Its first appearance wasn't dubbed into English, as in that episode, Ash puts on a Passimian costume, which gives him a black face similar to Passimian's, which I guess was enough for the dub team to deem it offensive. Because of this, we'll watch Passimian's first scene in the anime in the English dub. Hello and welcome to the anime portion of the video. Today we are watching episode 1020, A Young Royal Flame Ignites. In this episode, the Masked Royal and his Incineroar are battling an Electivire in this stadium here. Right now, the main Team Rocket team, consisting of Jesse, James, and their talking Meowth, are in disguise announcing the competition. That's Jesse.
Fire James
That's Passimian's first scene in the English dub of the anime. Let's move on. Now let's see why other people love Passimian. Now let's look at fan art. Hello and welcome to the fan art section of the video. Nobody sent in fan art, so instead we're looking at DeviantArt fan art. For those of you familiar with this series, you might be wondering why we're on the single image, and that's because it's the only image we'll be doing today. This is Defdex Ambipom by 00Clycly00. In their search for comfortable trees, they get into territorial disputes with groups of Passimian. They win about half the time. As you can see, they've this group of 3 Ambipom have one territorial dispute against 2 Passimian here. It's injured. And this one's like flipping him off, and like they're celebrating. And it's smacking its butt and stuff. Hee 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 hee. Yeah. Very well done. Let's move on. Thanks to everyone who submitted fan art. Tomorrow we'll be talking about Wimpod. As always, this is my proper outfit. You'll see me tomorrow.